let's get the review started, or the outlook started. Today is the week of August 16th, 2026 on EURUSD. So, same thing as always, or not always, but we have this low that we took out and this intent range right up here. So to me, the target on the yearly time frame would be this, but that's way too far, and I'm not gonna look at that. Definitely not for my daily trades that are not even 10 pips most of the time. So on the 6 monthly, we have this FEG, most recent. We just tapped into it. I guess I would wait for a intent range for sure. So nothing yet. Same thing on the 3 monthly. Nothing there. Monthly time frame, we did take out this low, these lows here, and we make this intent range here. If we go above this high, I'm pretty sure we're gonna go take up that high up there. If we go lower than this low, we might go target this low down here. But for now, nothing. Weekly time frame, we have this swing high, which, if you see, we took out here and we leave the intent range here. To me, there is also this thing where I look at it as the first candle that taps the key level, right? That takes the swing point, the PD array. If it tried to continue higher, like, you could still frame, if it tried to show intent, we can still frame somewhat of an idea off of the first candle. So I didn't really see this earlier. I only saw this just now. But you could definitely look at something like this and say, yeah, so if it goes higher than this high, it'll probably go target that high up there. And I feel like that's definitely a, thing you could make up. But I didn't see that, right? I didn't. Okay, anyways. I'll keep that in mind. But anyways, we do have this intent range, where this high, this low. We did take up the high, so we can definitely say this is like what I would say is official, right? Because the 2 candle intent range, it's very easy to say from there. One of the most controversial ideas I've been having is the fact that the that earlier thing I just showed you, the 1 candle intent range, it's a little weird for me, because sometimes I want to do it, sometimes I don't, right? Right now, I'm just looking at how price develops over time for the rest of the month. And then after this month, I'll start compiling stuff and maybe, see trades and stuff later. For now, I'm just learning how price moves. So, last week from Monday, Tuesday, right? We took this FEA on this candle on Friday. So I was like, intent range, blah blah blah, right? We have the intent range, so we came down, we took the intent range low, which is right here, and then the target immediately, once you take this, would be this swing low right here, which immediately fills. I guess there is a way to frame some form of a trade there, but it's a three tick trade. I'm not sure how you're gonna do that. And kind of the thing with right now is that I am not sure how I'm going to take trades on the daily time frame if this small of trade is what I'm going to be taking. So there's a chance I will have to go on a higher time frame for this type of trades. But I don't really like the higher time frame. I don't really like the rating. So I think I'm just gonna have to make it mechanical somehow. I want to have trades that at least have like 100 ticks or like 10 points, but like I feel like that's like the minimum you could go. And not like three pips, bro. A 3 pip trade is fucking stupid, bro. Okay, anyway, right, so from here, we took the swing low, right? And from here, if you know the same thing, the first candle thing, you can see on the hourly. I'll just show on the hourly that price did try to go higher from this. So the intent is definitely there, right? And so this is what I marked out on my Discord. From here to here is definitely a path you could take, right? It was, if it goes above this candle high, it'll probably go target that high up there. And it did, right? So that's pretty cool. So right now we're here, we're in a little bit of a weird conundrum. We took this swing high on the daily. The weekly intent says we're gonna have to go higher. So I'm not gonna really be framing any bearish stuff just yet until it gives me that reason to do so. For now, this is the one candle thing that I talked about. If it goes higher than this high, it'll probably go target up there. That's what I see. So yeah, for now, this is what I'm seeing. This is the analysis. So if it goes higher than that, boom, right? Obviously the one candle, right? It didn't try to go lower. On the daily candle. If you count this as going lower, then maybe, but that you could count anything as going lower in that case. I personally see it as like going lower than the open. So yeah, that's the analysis for now. Nothing much. Should be studying and shit too, bro. I just can't seem to hide. Alright, see ya.